Lawmakers in the House of Representatives received the representative of the Central Bank Governor, Aisha Ahmed, who is in charge of financial system stability. Mrs. Aisha Ahmed is here to brief lawmakers on the new monetary policies of the Central Bank involving the redesign of the Naira notes and the cash withdrawal limits.
It is to reduce cash processing costs, cash minting costs, processing costs, the cost of destroying old notes, and the cost of moving the cash from place to place, the physical cost of protecting it. The data available to us shows that 94% of all transactions, cash transactions, fall below the 500,000 limit. And this includes in areas in the country that are predominantly cash, that are not part of the cashless policy. 82% of corporate transactions also are below this limit. What does this mean? It means that 94% of all individual transactions will not be affected.
Lawmakers question the proximity of the policies to the elections and why Parliament was not carried along in the processes leading up to the final decision.
We are about facing the general election.
Thank you.
And let me just re-echo one line. Are you not seeing it as an opportunity for the ruling party to reach out to opposition parties?
At no time do we make decisions based on any political considerations, and I think it's important that I understate that.
Is the CBN governor not aware of the provisions of the Act with regards to his statutory obligation to address the National Assembly semi-annually, that is 2 times minimum in a year?
If the CBN was aware of this provision of the law, how come the CBN, before even going public with this policy, did not brief the House?
We remain open to continue to engage and do better. When the House convenes these hearings, it is the responsibility of us to show up, and we look forward to you doing so.
Can the CBN tell Nigerians how much was printed out of this new currency? How much was printed?
I'm sorry, I'm not able to share that figure now, only because I want to give an accurate number.
Outside to the chamber, the House Committee Chairman on Defense appraises the interaction.
The policy is very good, we all agree with it, but the only issue we have is with the timing. She also sort of said that Nigeria has 60 million BVNs, right? Population of 200 million. What happens to the people who don't have BVN?
It is not clear what position the House will take after this interaction, considering that it had asked the CBN to suspend the cash withdrawal policy. Terry Ikumi, Channels Television News.